This video shows you just how to get paid $600 each day by watching YouTube videos. A new method to gain free PayPal money for watching video clips online this year. How to do it? We will find it out. This is exactly how to make money to see YouTube video clips. Additionally, just a tiny percentage of people that enjoy my videos are really subscribed. So, if you end up getting value out of this video, consider subscribing with notification. It's free and also you can always change your mind later on. In that way, I will notify you whenever I have a new and fresh strategy to earn money online, so you can be among the first to utilize it. Therefore, obviously make one of the most money. Enjoy it. So, step number 1, get your smartphone. Step number 2, click play as well as watch a short YouTube video clip. And also step number 3, cash out your money on different payment methods such as PayPal. When you watch one video, you are going to make approximately $3. Every single time you watch 20 video clips, you are most likely to earn $60. As well as for 200 video clips daily, you are going to make $600. It is a beginner friendly and 100% free method. You don't require to pay anything to make money. The best aspect of this method is that this is available worldwide. So, regardless of what country you are in, you are most likely to earn money. And also, you can begin with this today. So, I will certainly show you how to sign up with this method and educate you on what videos to watch to gain the most cash. Currently, right before I explain to you how you can do this, comment down below I'm from blank aka your country. In that way, I will certainly recognize exactly where you are from. So, in the future, I can ensure that every single video clip I release is meant for you. So, drop your country's name in the comments down below. Ensure to stick around and keep watching entirely till the end. Now, let's begin. As you can see right here, this YouTube video clip is over 1 minute long. When you watch this type of video clips, you are most likely to gain $3. You can watch videos like this on your mobile phone or your computer. So, first and foremost, I desire you to go on this website. This website is 100% free and also you don't need any financial investments to get going with this. You can make money from this website by taking surveys, playing games, watching videos and more. But we will focus on watching videos because this is the simplest and most paying thing that we can do on this website. The most effective component concerning this website is that when you sign up for an account, you will receive a $1 bonus. To do so, get in here your first name, email address and choose a username. After that, create a password. And on the country area, click this drop down arrow right here. And you can see that they are accepting several countries around the world. So, no matter where you are originating from, you can get started with this right now and make a lot of money online. So, when you are done with that, click this box right here after reading the privacy policy and membership agreement and then hit the sign up button. This website has various payment options that you can utilize, yet I extremely suggest you select PayPal. This website provides a lot of possibilities for you to generate online income. The best part is, this website offers truly high payout rates. You can read it right here to earn 65 to 80%, unlike other websites that provide you 40 to 60% only. So, as soon as you are done signing up, they will certainly take you to this page. As you can see here, they will undoubtedly credit you $1 for every single 100 points you gain. Once you reach $7, you can automatically cash out your money through PayPal, Bitcoin or e-gift cards. So, to proceed, scroll down below and also click on this button right here. Once you are done clicking that, you are currently logging to your account. This is what the dashboard looks like. You can see below that they provide me $1 as a sign-up bonus. You can additionally see right here the earning potential that you can get by doing the deals. You can check this section right here and see the companies with their offers that you can do on this website. These are some of the very best firms around the world that are truly legit. So you can make these offers and gain a lot of money. But as I have started earlier, we are going to focus on watching YouTube videos because it is the most paying and the most essential thing to do. As well as remember that several of deals are only available for a minimal time. So try to do them as soon as possible. But real fast, if you guys are enjoying this video clip in which I have put a great deal of time, energy to do, I would appreciate it if you guys touch the like button and also make sure you subscribe with notification on. And also, if we get 2000 likes on this video clip, I will drop a brand new video next week to show you guys exactly just how to make even more money online doing basic stuff such as this in the comfort of your home. To make money by checking out video clips, you need to click this area right here where it claims videos, and that's going to take you to this page. As you can see below, you will receive a silver token for every 200 points you gain, which will add $1 to $3 to your account balance. I like this because you can enjoy different video clips such as foods, musics, viral videos, gaming videos, and more. All you have to do is click this button right here, which will certainly take you to this page to watch the video. You can see that this video clip is over 1 minute long. The most effective part is you are going to gain $1 to $3 on this real video only right here. This is pretty outstanding. So this website is called gg2u.org. As I have assured, below are the bonus offer ideas for you, my devoted viewers and subscribers. Watch all the videos from all the different categories at the same time. Watch all the available video clips from food, music, viral, gaming, and more. To do so, open all the browsers in a new tab. Then you can watch the videos on all the various categories at the same time and even have the different devices. So, if you have other phones and laptops, you can watch the video clips through numerous devices at the same time. This is where you can make even more money because you don't require to see the video clips. You can just run them in the background and do anything else that you would certainly desire or need to, as well as you are currently making money just by doing that. And that covers it up. This is exactly how you make money to watch YouTube videos for definitely cost-free this year. Yes, it's possible. Thanks for watching this video and making sure to drop a like and subscribe with notification on so you don't skip out on any new content. As always, I will see you in some of the following videos.